welcome back to our channel Crazy Sisters, and it's been a really long time since we uploaded a video on our channel. So I'm finally back with a new video for you guys, and happy new year to you guys. And as I'm living in Chennai, so happy Pongal to you all. And since we have like a 5 days holiday, so I thought of doing something nice. And like almost a week ago I actually planted onions in my kitchen garden, so like they've grown really nice. So I thought of doing something really nice with them. So, and the first thing which popped up in my head was Maggi. So I thought like let's do something with spring onions and the Maggi. So let's see what really comes up, because I am really blank right now. Let's see what we do. So let's get into the video. So this is a spring onion from my kitchen garden. As you guys can see, it's like really nice and so healthy and nutritious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these leaves and I'm gonna make a fine paste out of it, and then I'll be adding it to the Maggi. Okay, so this is my Maggi. As you can see, it's so amazing, like oh my god. So I'm gonna be using it, so come on, let's murder it. So this is the Maggi, and I'm gonna let's clear the table. Oops. So this is the after, and this is the before. It became patla. I made it do dieting forcefully. Okay, so it became like this. So let's rip it out.
Hey, I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that
killer, West Side killer.
Wow, magic masala. So I'm gonna take this out in a bowl. Wow, it's a scam. Like, look at this, 2-minute noodles. So then what are cup noodles? Lol. Okay, I'd rather prefer eating like this. But have you guys tried eating it like this? Like, it's so nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have boil it first, and then where is that? Where is my kitchen garden onion? Oh my gosh, who took it away? Thanks, Sissy. So what I'm gonna do is to chop it off and make a fine paste. Right now I'm gonna be making paste of this, okay, and then I'm gonna be cooking it with the Maggi. Okay. So the first step here is to make the paste out of this beautiful leaves. Like really beautiful leaves. My kitchen garden. This is finely paste spring onion, and so here I have finely chopped it, and here I've added 1 green chili and a pinch of salt and 5 pieces of garlic. It smells, now itself it smells so yummy. I can't wait to see the end. Like, I'm really excited. So here I have finely chopped spring onions, so that we can sprinkle it from top. So that it looks so delicious after. So let's move on, because I can't wait anymore. So now I'm adding hot water to it. And now the paste, I'm gonna add the whole paste, because I want that really tasty thing. So nice, it smells so good. Wow, it's like really smelling so nice. Wow, it smells so good, guys. Now I'm adding a little bit more of hot water. Now it's perfect. Now I'll bring it to a boil for 2 minutes, and then let's see the results. If it actually gets done in 2 minutes as the company claims to be done.
So
as you guys can see, this has been cooked, and now I'm gonna add this magic masala to it. Oh my god, it smells so freaking nice. Oh my god, it really does works. The first thing which I could taste is the magic masala. Like it's so nice. And then the spring onions, it's like a different level, like Vara level, what you say in Tamil. It's like really nice. You guys should try it. Like, yeah, you should really try it. Like I can't stop eating. So nice. So, and guys, do you know what is the real thing? The key ingredient of this is the the chili and the garlic. Like that chutney, what we made. It's like taking it to a whole different level. Like really, it's gonna take it to a whole different level. It's like really nice. And after everything happened, like a sudden name came to my mind, which is like the Hariyali Maggi. Like Hariyali means green, and Maggi is Maggi, right? So green Maggi, and it sounds really nice and really interesting. So I hope you guys like the Hariyali Maggi, and to see interesting videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel Crazy Sisters, and I'll try to meet you guys as soon as possible. So stay happy, stay safe, bye.